everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Laura and welcome to my channel. Today is day 4 of FACEMASKTOBER and we are going to be testing out the Maskology Under Eye Rose Gold Gel Mask eye patches. And these say that they are skin tightening and complexion brightening. So it has 4 pieces in it, so you can use it 2 times. So there's 2 different uses that you can get out of it. It says it's for all skin types. We've got hydrating under eye patches loaded with rose, collagen, and gold help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, while rose extract and I have no idea what that word is, help brighten and reduce the appearance of dark circles and puffy eyes. I think it's niacinamide? I don't know, I have no idea. Directions. Wash your face to remove makeup and environmental toxins. Done. Gently remove the eye mask from the pouch and place them under each eye. Relax for 20 minutes with the mask in place. Remove the mask from under your eyes and discard. No need to rinse. Pat remaining product around the eye area. And it does have like a resealable, so you can close it back up until you're ready to use the other ones. Okay, so it comes like in a little fold like that, and the other one is still in there. Hope this helps with my under eyes. I've been noticing that this one lately looks like a lot more prominent. So I'm not really sure what's going on there. Okay, and this one. I feel very cooling. I gotta say, I'm a little disappointed in the look of them. This one's already slipping down. Get back up there. If you look on the picture here, it almost looks like foiled rose gold. It's gonna wash it out. See, look how it looks like it's foiled. So yeah, I'm a little disappointed that these are not like that at all, but $2.50 at Walmart, I mean, you can't really expect much. So we are going to set the timer for 20 minutes. I have started the clock. Alright, we're going to give this 20 minutes and we'll come back and finish up. Alright, so we are back and it has been 20 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and take these off now. And then it does say that you do not have to wash them off. And I'm just going to look in the mirror here and see what I think. So they look hydrated to me. So I still feel like this is more prominent there. I'm not really sure what's going on. I've noticed that the last couple days now. As far as wrinkles, they're still there. Dark circles, I mean, it's still like in my inner corner, but not so much right here. Puffy eyes, like I said, this one, I don't know what's going on there. But these are pretty cool. You know, it's a temporary fix. You definitely have to keep using something like this all the time. Like I said in the beginning, I am disappointed that it wasn't actually like that foiled rose gold kind of material, that it's more of a gel material. I suppose it says it in the description there, gel mask, but I don't know. From the picture on here, I was expecting it to be more of like a foiled look to it. To conclude, these are kind of cool. Definitely would have to continue to use something like this to see results all the time. I wouldn't go to bed just alone or put makeup on over this just alone. I would still use an eye cream and all that. And I do think it's nice that it comes with more than 1 pack, so you can get 2 uses out of this. And that is everything for this video. So if you have tried this already, or if you're going to go try them out, please comment down below. If you enjoyed this video, thumbs up. Please make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. And until tomorrow's next FACEMASKTOBER video, I hope you're having a great day, night, weekend, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Bye, everybody.